And we are back with another video. Yo.
What's up? So right now we're currently wiring a plasma ball on the dash. Kind of impulsive. Actually, it was not impulsive. I spent 48 hours thinking about this. We were thinking of clocks, but we already have a clock on the touchscreen radio. No reason to do that.
Christina cleaned up the dash area here, but we're left with this, and there was an ugly clock just like sitting right there. It's just an eyesore. So we tried to use a multimeter, see which pins are getting power and whatnot, but the needles on this are actually too small to kind of fit in there. I think we're just gonna guess. I'll show them the plasma ball. You didn't even show them the plasma ball. It's upside down, but yes, that is the plasma ball, you guys. But if you guys have not tuned into our previous videos, we have bought this car to surprise Christina's sister, and she's currently in Europe. Yeah, she is currently in Europe, and we are going to be building this car and surprise her in about 2.5 weeks for when she gets back, and she has no idea what we're doing to the car. We literally sold her Ford Fusion, and we bought this, and now she's going to have a cool car when she gets back, or kind of cool. Previously, we installed new headlights, new tail lights, and Christina, while I was away at school, put in this new radio and fixed some of the cracks on the dash. The theme we're going for is pink, because she loves pink. Not Christina, but Christina's sister. And we just got this roll of wrapping, and we're gonna be wrapping the car to its entirety in light pink. So I'm super excited to see how it looks, but right now we are focusing on the dash. But before we get too much into the Eclipse, little update on the Mustang. You guys do know we got the Koenigs in, new wheels, new shoes for the Mustang, but we got some new shoe covers too. So the Mustang is out here in the rain, kicked to the curb. But at our front door today, we got a delivery. We got some new Firestone Indy 500s. These are 305, so these are the meaty boys for the back. We do have some fronts coming in as well, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, back to the Eclipse. How's it coming?
Oh, it's good. I'm stripping the next wire with my cheap Walmart strippers. Let's try this wire.
Because we've tried a million.
The problem is black. When I was connecting ground to the black wire and then positive to the green wire, it was reading negative, so I'm just gonna switch them. All right, here goes nothing. Ready? I tried like 6 wires, so maybe I have to turn the car on. Oh, ooh. Nice.
Dude.
Yeah, oh shoot, yay, oh shoot, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
yeah. Finally! That is so cool.
This is like hot, and it's making a really loud noise when we touch it. It's getting too much power is what we believe. We measured the wire that we plugged it into. That wire is producing 14 volts of electricity, and I think this takes 12. So we can have 3 AAA batteries in the back, or you can plug it into the wall. Each AAA battery is 1.5 volts, so 4 times 1.5 is 6. That would be 6 volts, but then the wall outlet would be about 12 volts, and I'm assuming there's going to be a resistor in the wire or on the circuit somewhere. Yeah, see, it's not making that weird noise, so this leads me to believe we're getting the right amount of electricity. Not that you guys care to see any of this, but we found the voltage as we used the multimeter, and we basically took this connecting piece and then broke it off so it looked like this. And we connected the pins on the multimeter to this, and it read 5 volts. So we know that it needs a consistent power of 5 volts. Meanwhile, Christina is soldering. Well, we have some resistors here. Definitely gave me PTSD from my physics labs in college, but I thought I would never be using them again, but I was wrong. Really, the main reason we're doing all this is because when we plugged it in the car, it was going like super fast, and we knew it had too much power. We don't want this thing to like blow up and shoot glass in everybody's face in the car. So we're trying to figure out kind of how to go about it. Habibi pulled up. He's gonna help us wrap the car. Future wraps, check him out. We got the dice too, man.
You're gonna hang him here?
Yes, sir. We got the solder action going. We're looking through the non-tinted windshield. Wired up a USB port to the car. That's so funny. I didn't even notice that.
Yes,
You're
sir.
charging your phone with the wire you just mounted up. What the heck? That's so crazy. Moment of truth.
Hey.
Oh yeah. No, that's better. That's
It's
so
way
much better. What Ramez and Christina kind of found out is that they literally took the car charger and they disassembled it and took the little USB port and connected it to the wires that were powering the clock. We just gotta like kind of clean it up, fabricate it, and make it look good. But right now we are working on wrapping the car, so I'm gonna get back to work and help her out.
It's called High Gloss Baby Pink from Vinyl Frog, and this is it looks like paint. Like if you come close to it, like I'm actually really impressed.
Okay, this is my college graduation project, and today is the next day. It's a lazy day for me. Got the glasses, got the pajamas on, but we went to Joann Fabrics last night, and we picked up some, what is this, suede kind of upholstery to kind of like wrap around the plasma ball to make it look nice so that you don't see all of that. What are we going to use to secure this around the perimeter?
Fabric glue.
Fabric glue? Okay. So yeah. Oh, damn. That's the update for you guys. And I'm about to show you guys the final product. I'm excited to kind of see how it turned out. I hope it's safe to say that we're the first people to permanently fix a plasma ball to a vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone on TikTok is kind of like commenting. They're like, not gonna lie, I'm kind of disappointed in what you decided to put there, because they're all like saying gauges and stuff like that, and like honestly this car doesn't need any more gauges. Like they would just be really not necessarily needed.
Bro,
like,
it's a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, all right?
Like they weren't really necessarily needed. You have everything you need on the dash. So I just wanted to do something creative, and plus she's gonna like this more. She's probably never gonna refer to that gauge anyways. I'd probably spend like $200 on it.
This isn't a 350Z. We're not gonna have 3 gauges right here for boost and PSI and all this stuff. But yeah, so if you don't like it, then you can leave. Bye.
So next up on the list is the dash lights. I am gonna be taking out this dash and swapping out the orange lights to pink LEDs. So that's next. That's so funny. It looks so good.
It does look good, actually. You did a good job.
It looks like, it doesn't look good because it obviously like it looks a little different and you're not used to it.
But
So
it looks like
it's not the standard of what you're used to.
It looks like a shift boot. You know, like from the
that's
shifter.
That's what I was going for, but like the whole glass bubble ball, like it's just a little confusing because you're like curious.
You're
like
what is
imagine if this car was parked at Walmart and you're like, what the heck is that?
Right. Wait, so let's see it on. Let's turn it on.
Okay,
let's
I got
get
you.
some final results. Yeah, that's sweet.
And then obviously off. It's like the button's like right here.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
So cool.
So, let's close the garage and see what she looks like. Oh, you might want to turn the car off. I'm not trying to off myself. All right, let's get some of this action in.
That's so cool.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. That is
so
awesome.
Cool.
Bro, imagine pulling up to a car show with this. Like, people are like,
what is that?
all right, Bravo 6 going dark. Oh yeah. What did we do, bro? what did we do? I guess that's a wrap. Like, I think we're the first to do it, and it looks decent. I mean, it's different, right? So, anyways,